So your brain is pounding, stomach's in a knot, and you sell your soul for some salvation?
Listen, we've all been there. But what if we told you the ultimate hangover cure has been in your kitchen this whole time?
Intro.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
So we've been on a road.
A long road.
A long road. We did 30 videos in 30 days.
That's a lot of alcohol.
We've done a lot of drinking. And sometimes we didn't wake up feeling so fresh.
We also have jobs too.
So I'm sure a lot of you, like us, have woken up a time or two with a hangover.
Yeah, so this drinking has done a toll on us all.
So believe it or not, we might have found the ultimate hangover cure.
So let's see what's cracking. So Joey, what are we going to need for this hangover cure?
So you're going to need a couple simple ingredients you may already have in your pantry. You're going to need some coconut water, some pear juice, some lime juice, a B vitamin complex, and some fasting electrolytes. So let's get started with the mix. So, because we are a channel that drinks alcohol, I'm going to make today's hangover cure within our shakers. Because we use this for our cocktails, we're going to use it for salvation as well. Okay? But not only am I going to mix it in here, I'm going to measure out the portions with our mixing thingy, measuring cup.
Our things for mixing, things for measuring.
As always, keep in mind, I'm making drinks for two of us, right? So the description for one person, the recipe for one person is going to be down in the description below. Okay? So first thing you're going to do is take your coconut water and you're going to do 4 ounces of coconut water. For me and Kareem, we're going to do a whole cup full. It sounds like someone going to the bathroom. Then you're going to take 2 ounces of a pear juice. For both of us, I'm going to do 4 ounces. You're also going to do 2 ounces of a lime juice. 4 ounces for me and Kareem. Now, you're going to need a B vitamin complex. For those of you who do not know, part of the reason why you get a hangover is because the alcohol that you're drinking is directly affecting your B vitamins. It's sort of stripping them away from you. So you want to make sure you replenish that with a B vitamin complex. Now, this particular one is 5 milliliters per person. So I'm going to do a full dropper's worth for Kareem and myself. And last but not least, you want your fasting minerals. I believe, Kareem, you bought this on Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Now, we use this particular brand. You can use whatever brand you choose, but we're going to use this one, and it's going to be a scoop for the both of us. So half a scoop per person.
The reason why I chose this particular fasting electrolyte is because it has no flavor. So it's a neutral flavor. You can add whatever flavor you want.
And as always, because we have some juice, we're going to add some ice to our shaker. And we're going to shake this bad boy up. Now, it's a lot of liquid in here. I got to be careful how I shake this. You're going to take your strainer and your liquids and pour them into your cup. So here we have Brew Broz Ultimate Hangover Cure. Let's see how it tastes. We're back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how our hangover cure tastes. Kareem.
Cheers.
Now, as always, we're Brew Bros, so we got to do a sniff test with everything that we drink.
I smell nothing.
Nothing at all. I thought it was only me. Cheers.
Cheers.
This sort of tastes like a refreshing limeade on a hot summer day.
With a splash of coconut.
Yes. So it has a little bit of a color twinge because the B vitamin that we have is a cherry flavor. But I'm not getting any kind of cherry flavor at this at all.
No cherry flavor at all.
And now it could be very lime forward because it's a bit of a lime concentrate. It's not a concentrate, but it's definitely heavy on the lime flavor. It's organic lime juice, so it just comes very lime forward.
And then from the coconut water, you get that splash of coconut that's right after the lime.
See, I don't even taste that. Oh, wait a minute. I just tasted it right now. It came very subtly. I was going to say, I don't taste it at all. But it sort of finishes off on that coconut flavor.
Yeah.
Brew Bros scale, 1 to 5, Kareem. What are you giving Brew Bros hangover cure?
Well, we won't know until I feel it in the morning. But this is almost like Brew Bros Gatorade.
With more natural ingredients, none of that dye stuff.
So I would give it 4.
Brew Bros scale, Kareem gives it a 4. Let us know down in the comments below what your ultimate hangover cure is. Because I know sometimes I want a greasy ass pizza slice.
Oh yeah.
Or like tear the ham, egg, and cheese.
Ooh.
You know, with salt, pepper, ketchup, and hot sauce.
Yes. Or pepper jack cheese and hot sauce.
You want? Yeah, I should have said pepper jack because that's the only way I get it. None of that American cheese crap. So let me stand corrected. Taylor ham, egg, pepper jack cheese, salt, pepper, ketchup, and hot sauce. And if you're from Jersey, you know what I'm talking about.
You know what we're talking about. So make sure you hit the notification bell. Get notified on what will be posted next. Hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe buttons.
And before we sign off, we want to say thank you for joining us on this 30-day journey.
It was trying for us, and we learned a lot about our capabilities as a channel.
And we learned that we had a lot of fails. They can't all be winners. Yeah. And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly. Is yeah.
Let's start over.
Let's start.
Measure out the portions with our mixing thingy, measuring cup.
Our things for mixing, things for measuring.
We're gonna shake this bad boy up. Now it's a lot of liquid in here. I gotta be careful how I shake this. Oh, it just fumble. See what I mean? I am covered.
All right.
I'm so sticky.